The Portable Digital Microscope 1600x3-in-1 is an advanced tool designed for a variety of precision tasks such as soldering, mobile phone repairs, and magnifying intricate details. This versatile microscope is equipped with multiple interfaces, micro USB, USB, USB-C, and delivers crystal clear images, making it an essential gadget for hobbyists and professionals alike. Key features: 1600x magnification. Achieve up to 1600x magnification, offering sharp and detailed images for any task. 2MP camera. Capture images with a pixel resolution of up to 1920 by 1080, delivering high-quality visuals for close-up inspections. 8 LED lights. The built-in 8 adjustable LEDs provide enhanced lighting for clear images even in dim environments. Versatile connectivity. Supports Android 6.0+, Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, 11+, and Mac OS X 11.0+, making it easy to connect to various devices via USB, USB-C, or micro USB. Portable and lightweight. The compact and lightweight design allows for easy portability, so you can use the microscope anywhere. Easy to use, suitable for both beginners and experts, with a simple plug-and-play interface. Applications: soldering, perfect for inspecting and working on tiny components during soldering projects. Mobile repair, ideal for precision work on mobile phones, circuit boards, and small electronic devices. Microscopy can be used as a magnifying tool for hobbies such as coin inspection, stamps, or biological specimens. Package includes 1x digital microscope, 1x adjustable bracket, 1x calibration ruler, 1x instruction manual. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, DIY repairer, or professional, the Portable Digital Microscope 1600x will give you the clarity and precision you need for your work.